The impact of chemical manufacturing on the environment is a complex issue that involves a range of environmental concerns, including soil contamination. Chemical manufacturing is a significant contributor to this issue, as the production and use of chemicals often involves the release of pollutants and other harmful substances into the environment. Chemical manufacturing includes production of plastic, synthetics, making of cosmetics, agricultural and more.
Soil contamination is where the presence of pollutants, such as heavy metals, pesticides, and other chemicals in the soil at levels that can harm the environment. It occurs through different pathways, including direct soil contamination through spills, leaks, and improper disposal of waste. Also, impacts through atmospheric deposition. Chemicals are discharged into the air. They can travel great distances before landing on the ground, where they can accumulate and last for a very long time. Leaching from waste sites is the process by which chemicals dissolve and move through the soil, contaminating groundwater that may create waste sites such as landfills or ponds, leading to long-term environmental impacts.
Reducing the impact of chemical manufacturing on soil contamination requires a range of strategies, including remediation may be necessary to reduce the impacts of contamination on the environment. Remediation strategies like excavation and removal of contaminated soil, in situ treatment using chemical methods, and phytoremediation. Regular soil quality monitoring can help identify potential contamination and allow for early intervention to prevent further contamination, which helps to track rate of remediation effort and acceptable contamination levels. Adopting sustainable manufacturing practices, such as using renewable energy sources and implementing closed-loop systems, can reduce the amount of waste generated by chemical manufacturing facilities.
Chemical usage in the chemical manufacturing industry has been practiced for ages. However, the proper way of disposal, handling procedure, and management has to be given importance, as their usage is proven to affect the environment positively and negatively.